Good Monday morning, everybody. Hi, how are ya? I would just want to remind you, since it's Monday, to scroll down here and remind you that that PayPal button is available to make a donation to help this website run commercial free. Ina takes care of this all by herself. I don't have anything to do with it. It's not my website, but you know, it's expensive to run. So if you have an extra couple of dollars and you want to make a donation, I would appreciate it. Scrolling down here to the next one, we're going to do the one for the 22nd, which is EightDala. And it says to use loops above the 8 shapes instead of straight lines. And I looked at it and there are no straight lines. So I was a little confused as to the prompt additional challenge. But I'm going to just use an additional challenge anyways. And we're just going to do something else instead. It's drawn on a Rangoli grid, which is a circular grid. This particular one is divided into 12. Okay, but you can divide however you want. And then here, every other one, we're going to do an 8 shape, right? So we have 6 8s, 2, 1 on top and bottom, and then sides to sides like that. In between the 8 shapes, we have this loop. Now, maybe I will change this loop. Maybe they're talking about this line, but it's not exactly what I would call a straight line because it's making a lotus petal shape. So, I don't know how you would make that into a loop. Well, maybe we could make a loop. Let's try that. Okay, so we'll do that, the 8s, and then we'll do this. And then here, we will make a loop of some sort. And then we'll do it matching on the other side, whatever we make in that first shape. And then here, we can connect the 8s up with these lumpy bumps. And this is what we're aiming for, except for we're going to change it up. And we're going to put a loop coming out from those 8s. Remind me, that's what we're doing. So I just got a tiny piece of paper today. I decided I was just going to do a little one. So this one's only 3 by 3 approximately. We're just going to do this sort of freehand. I'm not going to be super precise about it. I am going to draw an inner ring and an outer ring. Let's at least find the center of the page, which will be about here approximately. And then I am going to draw an inner ring and an outer ring, but that's all I'm going to draw. The dividers I'm not going to draw. This is just to help me make sure my 8s don't go too close to the middle. And let's see, I need 1 for the size of the 8s. Guess I need 3 rings. 1 for the bottom of the 8s, 1 for the top of the 8s, and 1 for the pattern as a whole. And since I'm drawing on dark paper, I think I'm going to draw in a light color. And you know, I am really feeling drawing in not white. Where'd my silver pen go? Here's my silver pen. I think I'm going to draw in silver today. Why? I don't know. Just feeling like it. So to make a 6, I want, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sort of like that. I don't know if you could even see that. Can you see all my marks? There you go. You can see my marks. So I've done my inner ring, my middle ring, my outer ring, and I made 6 little stripes. You could be more specific with it if you want. I'm just going to be general. And then this is for my figure 8. Just like that. And they are nowhere near precise, and that's okay with me. That one missing a little spot there. There we go. And then in between these 8s, we're going to put a kind of a teardroppy shape going all the way to the outer line. So my outer line is, you see it, it's way out there. So I'm going to teardrop from there like this. Something like that. Gotta remember not to put my hand in my wet ink. So then this next one, instead of doing from here to up here, I do want to go to the top of the 8s. So I'm going to make a little mark right on the top of each of these 8s where I want to connect this. But I want to make some sort of loop. And it's going to go down to this point. A loop. Let's go this way. Just like that, and then we'll go the other way. Like that. I like that. That looks cool. I'm pleased with that. And then here we've got us going around this thing and going from 8 to 8 in a little crescent shape. Just like that. So, and then we can embellish however we see fit. I think I like this one fairly plain. I think I want some sort of loop here. To go along with those other loop shapes that we have going on. And I think I want another loop going here. Yeah, something like that. I like that. Is there anything else we want to do to this? I think it needs, they need circles here. Okay, it's missing some ink. What else does it need? Kind of like that. I think I want to fill in here. When you draw with the light pen on the dark background, you kind of have to think backwards from your highlights and your shadows, because where you would normally make it dark, you want to make it light, and vice versa. And I think I'm going to fill in up here. Just have to be careful not to stick my fingers in it. So the gel pen does not dry as fast as a regular ink pen. And so you can smudge, which is why I'm not erasing any of my pencil marks that I normally would do. Can't erase those for a little while. I've tried just letting it dry a little bit and erasing, and it still smudges, so I have to let it really dry. That's very pretty. I think I want a little bit more in the 8s. Maybe a couple of lines. Like that. Oh, that's very pretty. Okay, I'm good with that. Oh, that's a quick and easy one. Much better than the last one I did. There we go. An 8 mandala. Super simple, quick, and easy. All right, you guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place by helping someone to smile today. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.